with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing chicken green pozole that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And amazing chicken green pozole, these are my ingredients: chicken bouillon, salt, spinach, poblano chili pads, 2 jalapeños, 1 onion, 1 head of garlic, tomatillos, bay leaves, chicken breast with bone in, and hominy. This is everything we need to prepare a delicious and green chicken pozole at home, made with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start here by showing you the pieces of the chicken breast bone in. I have 4 chicken breasts. I am going to use half an onion to add into with the chicken. Of course, I have 3 bay leaves and I have 1 whole head of garlic and salt. The water is already boiling. I'm going to add all these ingredients in here. I am going to cook it for about 15 minutes. Cover it. I am going to start roasting my poblano peppers, and I want to continue with my tomatillos. I'm going to take the skin off. I'm going to rinse them. I'm adding 2 jalapeños. Rinse them really good, and then just add a little bit of water. I'm going to use 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to remove the skin, and then I'm taking it to the stove. Let's cook it for about 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. And now my poblanos are getting nice and roasted. And here I want to show you that we need to take out the foam that creates on the top. Take it out. Make sure that you remove all that foam so the liquid is really nice and clear. My poblano peppers are done. I'm going to put them in the little baggie. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. And then we are going to take the skin off. And here, the chilies are already nice and cooked, and the tomatillos too. And now I am ready to add the salt to the chicken and then cook it for another 15 minutes. Look at this. I'm going to add spinach. I'm going to add everything I have in the little pot. The jalapeños, the tomatillos, the chicken bouillon. And now I'm ready to start taking all the skin off of the poblano peppers. Let me tell you, this pozole verde comes out so delicious. The poblano pepper really gives it an amazing flavor. And here I just want to remove really good the seeds and remove the skin. Once you make this green pozole, you're really going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Remember, the holidays are here. Let's make this amazing green pozole. Today is nice and cold, so I'm going to really enjoy this amazing chicken green pozole. Take your time taking the skin off. Take your time taking the seeds off. And once you have everything nice and cleaned, then you're ready to add it to the blender cup. And here I am ready to just add my poblano peppers, and I am ready to start blending away. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing green pozole. It's going to take about 1 hour. Remember, the chicken is going to cook for about 30 minutes before we remove it from the liquid. So here I am going to remove it so I could shred it. I am going to remove the onion, and I'm going to put through a sifter all the amazing sauce, that green sauce. And this is exactly what you don't want. You don't want all this in your pozole. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to continue with the rest. And now I'm going to put the hominy in here. Let it cook because the temperature is going to drop, but I want the hominy to cook for about 15 minutes. Now I am ready to start shredding apart the chicken breast. This is going to take time because it's nice and hot. So I'm just going to shred all the 4 chicken breasts. And when everything is nice and shredded, I hope by this time the hominy is already boiling in that amazing green sauce. Look at this. It's so easy to prepare. Once it's boiling, you're ready to add all the shredded chicken. Remember, every time you add something to the liquid, it's going to reduce the temperature. So here I'm adding all the chicken and I am going to cook it uncovered for another 15 minutes. And then I am ready to enjoy an amazing pozole made at home with lots of love. It's already boiling. I am ready to turn off the stove and I am ready to start making and preparing my plate. Look at this. You could see all those pieces. Oh my God, this looks amazing and it smells delicious. Okay, I need to add my toppings. What am I going to add to my pozole? I am going to add onion, cilantro, lemon, chile serrano, and all these veggies. I am ready to start slicing and cubing away. I'm going to cut the onion in very small pieces. Look at this. Look how amazing and easy you could dress up your pozole. I have the lime here, put it aside. I have my radish. I'm just going to slice through the center and then just slice away. Of course, you could add salsa macha, but I am going to add chile serrano. I have the cabbage, the cilantro. Let me tell you, once you make this pozole, you're really going to love it. It's easy to prepare, and the ingredients, you could find them in any supermarket. I have my serrano here. I'm going to slice away, and then I'm ready. I am so ready to enjoy this amazing pozole. Let me show you. Cilantro, radish, lime, onion, cabbage, and of course, our serrano. I am ready to plate. If your mouth is watering and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to be part of my family. Thank you so much, because Cooking with Gloria is continue growing. Thank you so much. Of course, I'm adding everything I really love right on the top. I can't forget my cabbage and my chile serrano and my lime. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this green chicken pozole. Look at this. Of course, with your tostadas. What else can I ask for the holidays? Excuse me. So delicious. With all these toppings, just perfection, made at home. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing green pozole made at home with lots of love. Of course, you have so many recipes on my channel that you could make for the holidays. I hope you have a beautiful holidays. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.